Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wished you could harness the power of ChatGPT right inside your Google Sheets, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use ChatGPT directly within your spreadsheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform your boring old sheets into interactive AI-powered workspaces. It's a total game changer for productivity, research, and even a little creativity. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we need to connect Google Sheets with ChatGPT. The tool that makes this possible is called SheetGPT. To get started, open up your Google Sheets file. Anyone will do it, doesn't have to be special. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu called Extensions. Go ahead and click that. Sometimes it takes a second to find the right option, but don't worry, we're taking it step by step. When the drop-down menu opens, hover your mouse over Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This will launch the Google Workspace Marketplace, a bit like an app store for your Google Drive tools. In the search bar, type in SheetGPT. Make sure you spell it just right, all one word, or you might not see the right option. Once it appears in the results, click on it and if prompted, confirm the installation. You might see a permissions request because SheetGPT needs access to help you automate those AI tasks, so review and accept it as needed. It's a standard part of the process, nothing to worry about. Now that you've got SheetGPT installed, the real fun begins. Let's try a quick demo that shows the power of integrating ChatGPT with your sheets. In any cell, let's say cell A1 for simplicity, type in this formula, equals GPT, give me a data for chart. Just to clarify, that equals sign at the beginning is crucial. It signals to Google Sheets that you're entering a function just like sum or average, but in this case, you're talking directly to ChatGPT. After you hit enter, you might notice there's a tiny pause. That's totally normal, so don't worry if it looks like nothing is happening at first. What's happening in the background is that SheetGPT is sending your request to ChatGPT's servers, waiting for the AI to process your command, and then bringing back the response all in a couple of seconds. Depending on your internet connection and how busy the AI is, it might take a moment. But once it's done, you'll see a set of sample data pop up right there in the cell, ready to use for charting, analysis, or whatever your sheet needs. This simple demo is just the tip of the iceberg. You can ask ChatGPT for summaries, lists, code suggestions, creative content, you name it. It's like having an expert assistant living right in your spreadsheet. If the result ever seems off or you want something different, just tweak your prompt inside the GPT function and press enter again. It's really that simple. And that's all there is to it. Setting up ChatGPT in Google Sheets opens up all kinds of possibilities, whether you're crunching numbers, brainstorming ideas, or just looking to automate parts of your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Got any questions or want to see more advanced tricks? Let me know in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.